Alright, so here is the video to fix this site cannot be reached in Google Chrome. So first of all, you can simply go to the Google Chrome and then tap on the three dots first and go to the settings, and then from here you need to tap on the privacy and security. Then again scroll it down, and then from here use secure DNS, you need to tap this on, and then simply tap on use current service provider, this one. All right, so right after that you need to try again to go to the site again. But once again, if this message shown like this site cannot be reached, then you can simply go back to the Google Chrome, and from here you need to go to a proxy site. Like you can simply search on your google.com to like proxy site, type in proxy site and go and try to log into your website with that proxy site. Also you can connect a VPN to connect the website that you want to connect. So that's how you can fix this site cannot be reached in Google Chrome on your Android device. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.